River Lily here. I'm going to show you how to make money butterflies for money gifts or money trees. So the first thing that you want to do is fold this in half. So you're going to fold your dollar long ways in half. Rub your fingers along it so it's there and nice and there's a center. Then you're going to take one of the sides, and where the ones are, you're going to fold up so that your crease is right in the center of the ones. You're going to do that on both sides. So it looks like this. Then you're going to fold each side in a triangle down towards the green. Try to make it as even as possible. And you're going to do that on both sides. So now your dollar should look like this. Then, starting from here, there's a little white line there. You're going to fold this piece down to that. And then you're going to flip it. And you're going to do the same thing over and over and over again. All the way down the dollar. Smoothing it out and pressing as you go. Again, you don't have to use dollars. This was just so I can give you an idea of how to do this. I thought it was pretty neat when my mother showed me today, so I kind of wanted to share. So now your dollar looks like this. So what you do is you pinch it and fold it, and now it'll look like this. This is technically origami. So you have that piece there. You want to get your other dollar. And you just want to go like that. You're going to do the whole dollar like that, folding up and down like an accordion almost. I don't know how well you can see me here because I'm kind of sitting on the bed doing this. Using a box as my table. Just back and forth folding. So now that's what you have. So you're going to take that and you're going to fold that like that. Okay, so once you have your two pieces, you're going to get a piece of string or ribbon. I just happen to have string laying around. And you're just going to want to tie it around the center of those. Which I'm just going to try to do this quickly to show you. And that's what you get. And then you can get a flower pot and you could put floral foam in it and and get like little stakes that you can put on the butterflies and have them coming out of the flower pot with artificial flowers or real flowers or whatever you choose to do. But that's how you make a money butterfly. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hit subscribe and like if you did enjoy. All right, bye-bye.